acquisition of information and patronizing the product.
Along with promotion will not only boost the economy
and support the Cebuano but also benefit the country as well.
Tara na! Manunod umalis na ta!
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are the Team Tetris, the Group 3. And for today's episode is very special because we'll be diving to the rich world of indigenous craftsmanship. We're here to interview the talented craftsman who has preserved and practiced traditional techniques past few generations.
Hi Kuya Hana. Good day. Can you please introduce yourself before we start introduce the craft? Tell yourself where you're from.
I'm June Lampreya from Tongso Tuganinga, Cebu. My store.
Craft Kuya. Anong most special yung Kuya na craft?
Shell.
Why man Kuya?
How man na among produkto ko. Unmade yun na namo. Kani, little shell. Coca shell. Coca shell. Kani, nasa shell with pendant MOP, combination coconut tree.
What message do you like to share with the younger generation about preserving handicrafts?
Yung atong mga product na French Nestle kay mao ni atong kuan, atong passion for sa mga talented.
So, kani siya guys is magnet fan. This one is made of bully, and then this one is made of shell.
Okay.
So, mo ni siya guys, made of wood or siya, mahogany, then key holder ni siya nga centimeter.
Good.
So this is necklace made by Pocachal. So this is a coin purse that is made of avocado. So this is a shell wallet made of pinky shell.
So this is wind chime, and this is the base is made of rattan, and this is the shell. It is made from Philippines.
So this is jewelry box made of cowfish shell.
Okay.
Hello guys, so this is two-way bracelet. So you can use this as bracelet or you can use it. Yeah, outlet. So this bracelet made with beads, and you know it has turtle pendant. So yeah, so asa ni siya na kuan?
Beads. Made of beads.
So, ano siya guys, is made of centimeter, then key holder niya siya,
Kabarog ko daw